Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord picking up game audio. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to first open our Discord app. So once we open our Discord, make sure that we are logged in into our account. And then in this part, what we're going to do here is to look for our user settings. After that, just open it. And then in this part, just scroll down until you see voice and video, which is right here. So click on that. And then in this part, make sure that you are using the correct microphone. So let's say, for example, that I'm using Samsung Q2U microphone. Make sure that you use that also. So if you see that it is set to a different microphone, so all you have to do is to change it. So after that, once you have confirmed that you are using the correct microphone, just scroll down and then look for the input sensitivity. So input sensitivity might be the reason why you are having or facing a problem. So you might want to experiment with that. So you can, of course, toggle this higher or lower. It's up to you. So all you have to do is to find the right option for you. After that, under the noise suppression, make sure that you use crisp or standard. So if you see that it is set to none, just change it. And then after that, once you do that, on the search bar, just search for Realtek Audio if ever you're using a Realtek Audio right here. So open Realtek Audio Console. And then after that, on the playback devices, make sure that all of this are turned on. So if ever you want to mute something, let's say for example, the game, if you want to mute it, just mute it right here. And then also, you can go here on the bottom right corner of the screen and then click these sound settings. So once you click that, you will see this icon. So click that also, and then just scroll down, and then you will now be able to see the volume mixer, wherein you can change the volume of each app. And then after that, once you're now done with that, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.